We got our seals in here, so that's nice. Aftermarket, what were they? 45?
45 what?
Dollars for
the seals?
Yeah, all the gaskets. And
oh yeah, all the gaskets with a piston was 40, but then we screwed up the first set of seals.
Well, I did. Taiwanese piston. I don't like it, but he does.
We're gonna put it in.
I don't want to.
So grease up the inner lip of the seals. Nope, just put it on your finger.
Oh.
And just a thin layer on that inner lip.
You do realize we're going to drive this like twice, and then it's going to be too hot.
Because it took all winter?
Yeah. There.
Okay.
Then okay. Oh, gasket sealer.
Yep, it's Moto Seal 1. It's same as Yama Bond. I'm going to show the container. Permatex Moto Seal 1. Oh, no, not like that. Or you can do that, yeah, go ahead. Just a thin layer is all it takes. You don't need to goop it. You just want a layer is all. It's not... doesn't need to be a thick layer, it doesn't need to be a thin layer, you just want a layer. And then you can wipe off the inside here. Good. Now you're running out of time, so you gotta put the crank in.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yep. You have to lift it up.
I know we said that we're gonna...
Yep, put it through there. Good, now put the other side on. You can leave those in there. They're going to go in the holes.
Well, oh, okay.
You even hold it. Just line it up straight. Press it together.
Oh god, it's keeping all
That's okay, it'll be a little bit of overflow. Press the two halves together. Good. Good.
We probably should put rubber bands around that again. Hi, dog.
It's like, what are you doing in my nap space?
Here we go.
Alright, what does it say the next step is?
The
gears? You gotta put the gears in here then.
Oh, it went perfect. It's amazing. Okay. There we go. And now, do I need to do more motor seal?
No, you have to put the rest of this on.
Oh, we didn't Loctite glue those screws, did we?
Nope. It actually doesn't call for it in the manual, but it would be nice. Would have been nice to have them done. You got to put the rest of this together. The governor.
Oh. And this. And.
No.
Yeah.
Was it?
Yes.
Really? That's the way it went?
Yeah. Then it goes.
Oh yeah, that's what gets pushed out.
Is it gonna... Oh, I need to key it, don't I?
Key it?
Yeah, look.
No, it's already square. That's what... The one side is square.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's 22 to 29 foot-pounds. So what's half of that? Call it 12?
Yeah.
We'll go 12 and then 25.
I'm supposed to do this.
I wouldn't hold on to those rods, Zach. Those look like the weak spot.
That's 15. This is really odd. Okay, we did it. And we bent it here, so...
Put it in.
This isn't keyed.
No, but it goes in those slots.
Alright.
This should go on this side. And then you might want to take just a dab of this and put it like right here and right there so that it doesn't move. Just a dab on each side.
Right here?
Yep, just spread out, well just spread out a little there for it to, yep, like that. And then a little here. That's fine.
Okay.
Forgetting something.
What? Oh, ha. I was testing you.
I guess I passed then.
Yeah. Oh. Oops. Does it kind of snap in?
Yep, it just goes down on the pins.
No, but it's kind of stuck on something. Well, that's apparently not all. Oh, yeah, it is.
You can just give it a couple taps if you got that rubber mallet.
Wait.
There you go. Remember the long one goes in there.
Yeah.
Loctite blue.
This Loctite is kind of sketchy.
This rebuild is kind of sketchy.
Okay. I recall taking the coil off after the
Okay, hold on, I want to show them.
Sledder.
We put a mark.
Oh, so you can tell them, I can't.
Well, I just want to tell them so they don't do it.
Mm.
We put a mark in the case with our screwdriver. So, I'm going to have to fill that in. So, I would not recommend doing it the way we did it. And we're going to have to figure out how to tighten the flywheel without doing the same thing. So,
Because we need to...
it's kind of a bad idea. You gotta put the,
Yeah.
Get the grommet fitted in. Zach?
What?
You gotta get the rubber grommet through first, don't you?
Yeah.
So why do you keep pushing it in?
Because you can't do it like that without it.
Can't you pull the rubber grommet up on the wire and then?
Oh. I thought that it was like melted together.
Get it kind of fitted through the top so that you can push it through the bottom.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm afraid I can't let you do that.
Loctite glue.
Loctite glue is for grommets.
Make sure that the magnets are clean in there.
Yay.
As long as the key is lined up when you tighten the nut in there, it'll push it into place.
That's what I'm trying to get there. That's so much better.
Oh, you don't want a breaker bar, you want the torque wrench.
You gotta torque it?
Yeah. It's 29 to 36 foot-pounds.
Oh.
Same amount. 25.
Okay.
Just make sure you hit 25. Good. Now you just gotta line them up.
Wait, this is messed up. What the heck?
Well, look at them. There's two close together
Oh,
and
look at
two
this.
wide.
Those two?
I know. Just keep spinning it till they match.
Oh, I see. There.
We didn't put Loctite glue on them.
Does it call for it?
No. It's okay. They got lock washers on them.
Well, flat lock washers. But
Oh, they're not lock washers.
no, they're lock washers, but they're like super flat.
Like I said, it doesn't call for it as long as you tighten them. Tight. They need to be at 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock, the opening.
This is
The
like
opening
that,
can either be up or down. 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock.
And does it have to be exactly 6 or can it be 6:15?
You want it to be as close as you can get. And then you don't use a screwdriver to put it
Yeah,
in.
I got the wrong thing. These are huge. By the way, this is not making it very easy.
Just get one side in and push the other side in with the pencil.
This sounds stronger than what is it?
Alright.
Explain to them what I'm about to do.
We got the piston clips in. And
Wear
seated.
safety glasses.
Right, yeah, wear safety glasses. And now what we're doing is seating the rings, so you have to make sure the rings are lined up with the pins. Can you see on both sides?
Am I going to gash this with a screwdriver?
Yeah.
And I can go one at a time, right?
Yeah, you can. You can do one at a time. So the top ring, you just have it lined up with the pin. And get that on. And then the bottom ring. Sorry, I'll go over here. Is it lined up?
No.
You want me to come squeeze while you set it on?
No.
Why?
Because I can get it. I just need...
I can squeeze the rings and then you set it on.
You've been doing like 90% of this when the camera goes off.
I'm just helping you with a couple things.
No, it's not a couple.
I had you help me with the XLT.
Once.
This is what we were doing. Squeezing the rings and getting the head on. Remember? Don't do that.
Why?
Because that's how I tore the gasket on the XLT.
Oh.
Let me squeeze them and then you just get it on to start and then we'll record again. Okay? So all we're going to do is I'll squeeze the rings, he's going to set the head on, and then we'll start recording again. Okay, push down.
I did.
All the way?
Yeah.
Okay, now spin it. And it should spin fairly freely.
It will sound bad because you need to break in the rings.
Okay. Now we need to
Cylinder head.
wipe off the oil off of there.
Really?
Where the gasket goes.
Where did I just have that?
It's right here. And it's not marked for top or bottom, so...
You hear that?
Mm-hmm. Oh, no.
Really, your phone didn't like it either.
No, the battery was dying. Does it look square on there? Yeah, it sure does. So that'll be right. Okay.
Okay. It's 10, but I really...
It's fine.
I just did that and then that, didn't I?
It doesn't matter, because after 2 there's no star pattern.
There. It's all of them.
Okay.
Starting to take shape again.
Just try rotating it, just to make sure. Does sound a little tight, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We'll find out.
But then we get to bore it out. And then we're going to port it, and then we're going to make a race sled out of it.
I think those rings just need to break in.
What am I looking for now? Coil?
Yeah. Since we're not professionals, we didn't spec that piston
Oh, okay.
for that cylinder.
It only seems to fit like this.
Sure. Has the writing out. Or was it the other way?
It was the other way.
Yeah, it was the other way.
And then, you know, this is
The other writing is up.
fine, right? It doesn't need to be...
As long as it doesn't fall off. We just need electrical tape.
Alright, I'll go grab it. Okay. Just that's not dangling in the wind. Where's my spark? Is this?
Before you put the spark plug in, I want to pull it over without a spark plug in. But so just don't tighten it.
Okay.
Just you can put it in there so that you have somewhere for that. But we're gonna take it out and when it's all together, and then we'll pull it with the ripcord and see how it spins.
We still gotta get that done, don't we?
But I want to do it with, and then I want to check the compression too.
Okay. Now what?
You want to put the bottom plate on, make it easier to work on.
I thought it made it harder to work with.
You think so?
I thought that's why we took it off.
It was like this.